My video guide is about getting rid of the online scam that is coming from the site Webdefencesupprot.online. Keep in mind that the word is support.online but not support.online. These pop-ups are totally faulty and deceptive, and you should not interact with them. It's really a mistake to interact with these pop-ups. They try to make you click on the special allow button in order to make you see a lot of intrusive ads that will be displayed in the form of push notifications. So if you see these pop-ups, don't interact with them. By the way, they attack Microsoft Edge and also Google Chrome browser too. To remove them, you should access the menu of your Microsoft Edge browser. Access the menu, then you need to go to Settings, select a special area in Settings that is responsible for notifications. So go to a special area that is called Cookies and Site Permissions. Find the Notifications section, and when you find these malicious sites, you need to remove it from the list. So click on this button and remove the junk sites from the list. I also recommend that you investigate your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. So download the program, install it, and then start researching and investigating your system with Combo Cleaner to detect and remove other threats fully from your computer. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to detect and delete such threats completely from your system. So use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.